Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video. It's our first hair tutorial video. Yay for finally doing it. So Amir and I both have natural hair with curls. I'm not very sure of the texture of our hair, like 3C or 4C. I never really looked into it. But this video is a simple braid out with a ponytail at the top. It's so cute. It took maybe an hour from a wash, deep condition, braiding, and setting it in. She really loved it, and I'm sure your little girl would too. So I hope you enjoy it. Please give us thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Hairstyle, we're starting with clean condition, deep condition hair. When I do Amir's hair, I always do a hot oil treatment and a deep conditioner. Hi. So we are starting with clean hair. I'm going to part it into 4 sections and plait it and let her sit under the dryer to at least get the water out of her hair, and then I do a very low blow dry. So before I do the 4-part section, I always apply a leave-in conditioner. Right now I'm really loving Carol Sorter almond milk. It's a leave-in condition for daily damage prevention. I use it daily just as like a moisturizer. So I'm going to do a 4-part section plait and saturate her hair with leave-in conditioner. We have her hair braided in just 4 sections. It doesn't have to be neat at all. We're just gonna sit her on the dryer. I'm gonna sit her on the dryer for about, what baby? Yeah, again. Sorry. I'm gonna sit her under the dryer for about 30 minutes to let the water get out of her hair. Yeah. And then we're gonna do a quick little blow dry on very low heat because I'm trying to minimize as much heat as possible to grow her hair. So I'll catch you back in a minute when I blow dry and start doing the braid out.
When I be a minute.
Hair is now blow dried, and I'm about to go ahead and start the braid out.
Yay.
So all I'll be using is some Echo Styling Gel, grapeseed oil, and Cantu, let's see what it is, Cantu Curl Stretcher for natural hair. And I will also be using some Jerry Curl rods or hot wave rods, whatever they're called, but they're like $1.99 at a beauty supply. So the first step is just taking a rat tail comb and parting the back section. She wants this part down in the braid out, and she wants this like either in a ponytail or in a bun. So what you're going to do is just section off the back and then make about 5 or 6 individual parts to braid the hair down. The first step is to take the Cantu Curl Stretcher and just put about a quarter size into your hand. Take the product and work it all the way through the hair from the root to the tip. Then take grapeseed oil. I just bought this from Kroger. Take a little grapeseed oil and rub it through the hair. This helps with frizziness and to make the twist really neat and not super frizzy. And the last step is just to take a little bit of Echo Styling Gel and work it through. This gives the hair a little bit more control and makes the twist, not the twist, I'm sorry, the braid out a little bit more crisp. And then you just comb the product through and you braid. I started one braid already. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do a simple braid, but just braid the hair down and then add a rod at the end. Good morning. Amira slept in her braids overnight with the rods in. We are going to take these down and style it. So to style the hair, as I take the twist down, I'm going to just lightly put some grapeseed oil on my hands and a little Design Essentials just for some shine so that it's not frizzy and her hair is shiny. So as you're taking the plaits down, take them down gently so you don't create unnecessary frizz by tangling. Just be gentle. Take them apart slowly. So we are almost done styling the hair. I'm really satisfied with how crisp and neat the twist out, I keep saying twist out, the braid out is. The last thing is you want to make sure you don't have any parts in the hair from when you braided it. So just take a rat tail comb and kind of finely take your hands and kind of fill in any spaces that you may have. This is a really cute and simple style for your big girl who wants to wear her hair down. Now she's all ready for school. She loves these little bows. Okay, down a little bit. She loves these little bows. So you can always just add a little detail to your little girl's style by adding a cute little bow. I think we picked these up from Walmart for like $4.88 for a set of 6. They're very cute and just gives a little attention to detail.